There you go, it's happening.
How are you sure you don't have
Enough refresh this. I don't.
Refresh.
Now it's 100!
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
So that's the environment. I'm trying to understand, were you talking about like a studio? I work in a studio every day. I dropped my wine. I heard it go, well, what do you think about the political scene these days? Makes you want to crawl back into the womb.
Be at the thrift store, buy stuff. It would take, like, my alarm goes off at 5:45, but real life. If you took a nasty shit before you shower,
okay,
you just get in the, I hope this isn't wet, whatever. You just get in here, and your booty hole was.
Oh! A little boop on your head.
You wanna play Fruit Ninja in real life?
Ash, catch him.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Normally.
Did you just bite it with the fucking peel on?
Haven't you seen an orangutan eat an orange?
Are you an orangutan?
And the wise words of Gucci Man, bitch, I might be.
We are motherfucking here. Sir! Navy! Navy! How you doing, boy? Hi!
I think it's gonna explode, man. Can I touch it? Is it soft? I want to touch it. It looks like a little animal.
Hello. Is this ABC News?
This is Cheaters.
This Cheaters, pumpkin eaters. Got it. Okay.
A jackass crew called Wasabi Boys. What did you guys do?
No, I just hurt myself. Like, so it was like during lunch, tackle the cactus. After that, I didn't know cactus had tiny little fecals. They they're not like just the big needles, but they have also all these really tiny ones. I didn't know that. So I had it all over my body, all over my hand, and I went to the nurse's office. And I spent like a whole period of her picking them out. I felt super uncomfortable the whole day too. And then like later on, like the end of school, I found out there was like a big ass, one of the big ass needles stuck on my nipple.
No, it's an air mattress. No, don't jump on them. Okay.
Slide into the DMs.
Now what are these things in it?
Blubbers. Those are the blubbers. They grow on a blubbery tree.
On a tree? So we are on a hiking trail called the Garden of the Gods, and Cody doesn't know yet, but the only reason we brought him along is that we're gonna sacrifice him. Me to get a bigger dick, PJ to stay the same.
Actually, dick reduction. They should have a sign that says like, "Fat man warning."
This trail has been a real eye opener. So fat.
That's how I feel about 2020.
It's day 7. We had to eat Navy. It was delicious.
Oh, she a golden, way on top. That dick's on me. Chicka, 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 chicka. Say she a golden. She ain't messing with no broke.
I'm gonna kill myself too.
I think you can make it.
Up there?
Yeah, DJ. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Oh my God. These are the shit Trump's afraid of right here.
When my heart remains, oh, she's got everything you want. But you're part of the thrift shop, and all my friends adore her. She reminds me of my mother.
I feel like Beauty and the Beast.
Just the beast and the bitch. Just beast on beast.
Phyllis passed out next to the stairs when we walked up.
Oh, that was it.
I was having a good time.
I saw that. It was like you came up and you were like, I don't know what to do. Yo, I am freaking out right now. Hold on. I just never seen one of these in my entire life. Right there. It's a freaking groundhog. Nature is beautiful. I'm actually just outside of the McDonald's right now.
No.
Yeah, look at DJ. I haven't seen you swallow like that in a while.
I'll do it again. Oh, the weak.
Damn, dude.
The trick is
To breathe through your nose?
I'll be expecting you tonight.
It's consensual cuddles. A little CC, if you will. I do miss me some Texas.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
Look at these fucks. Couldn't wait. Don't look at me! Where are you going? They're both peeing on the side of the fucking road. I don't know what it is, but this is the second week in a row that someone has jumped out of the car to pee outside.
Oh man, that feels so good. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, OC will stop for you so you can pee. Subscribe.
You don't like your milk more?
Hell no.
Chunky?
Ugh, chunky.
It's gonna have some texture in there.
Oh, textured milk. With pulp milk. Now with pulp.
No. One time I had dinner, like sitting at the table as a kid, and my dad was like, "You can't leave the table till you finish your milk." And I was like, "It doesn't taste good." And he's like, "You're gonna finish that milk."
Oh no.
Chugged it, and then my dad goes to the fridge to like take a swig out of the jug. He's like, "Oh, that's so bad." It's like drinking cottage cheese.
I've made myself finish a meal when I was a kid. And my dad made me some ramen noodles. I was like, "Fuck yeah!" And my dad made me some fucking Kool-Aid. And I was like, "Hell yeah!"
He's like, this is like, what's the event?
It's the height of luxury.
It's the height of luxury.
And I was like, man, I fucking love ramen. And I love Kool-Aid. And so I put Kool-Aid in there. And I took a bite. And I was like, this is awful. My dad's like watching TV. And I was like, fuck, I can't piss him off.
Navy. Bye, Navy. Bye. Bye, Navy. Oh, this is too sad. Don't look at me like that. That's got to be like the hardest goodbye I've ever said in my life. Left foot, orange circle. You just like do the splits and reach the other. That'd be sick. You just go. What's the matter? Cute ass cat. It's all fat. I love a fat cat.
Don't like.
Just gonna put that in there without any context. So I made these guys stop here. Cody thinks it's stupid, but a few weeks ago, Rihanna was here.
Fuck Rihanna. No, really, I won't.
Yeah, I want. That's exactly. I just want to stand in the same place her butt was. No, my hat. You were just talking about fighting kindergartners like an hour ago.
I mean, save them. Yeah, from me kicking their ass. The scenario was, how would you fight 100 kids? I was like, I'd kick them off. That's what I said. That's what I said. It's like, if you get one of those little fucking kids and you grab my ankle, you're just like, get away! Like, don't leave you. No, but in that scenario, that would be the, I don't know, best choice. I'm not gonna let 100,000 kids kill me.
You imagine like the little chubby ones? They're gonna strategize. I'm talking about chubby ones.
This is DJ taking my photographer. Look how dedicated he is.
Damn.
God, he's so professional. What is he doing? Oh my god. What is this piece called?
I don't know, the Tin Man's bitch.
Yeah. So we are literally 2 hours away from home, and the fucking tire decides to explode. The car was like, I'm finna bust.
You're lucky I lasted as long as I did. Even after we fix you up, we going back in.
3 dudes, 3 dicks.
6 balls,
1 flat ass. I'm about to put some calories on my dick.
Cause your boyfriend's a bitch. He ain't shit. He can suck on my dick. I ain't with all that shit. Why he do you like this? Why you home all alone? Why he out fucking around with them hoes? Cause your boyfriend's a bitch. He ain't shit. He can suck on my dick. I ain't with all that shit. Why he do you like this? When you're home all alone. Why he out fucking around with them hoes?
Apple juice, apple juice, apple juice.
Mira, no, pero regresa,